Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to cover the most important question from all the modules of 4th SEM UHV, whose subject code is BUHK408. So in this video, I will cover all the most important question which have the highest chances to come in the examination. So we are starting from module 1. So from module 1, our first question is, one of the basic desires of every human being is to be always happy. So B is the correct answer for the first question. Now the second one, which is, what are the basic human aspirations? So here we can see that happiness and prosperity is the basic human aspirations. Now the next question from module 1, which is, the most basic human aspiration is happiness, as we have already seen here. So the question will repeat in the examination, so you don't have to worry, it is a plus point for you. Now the next question is, self-exploration uses two mechanisms. The first one, which is natural acceptance and experiential validation. So these are the self-exploration mechanism. Now the fifth question is, value education deals with all of the above. What is universally valuable to all of us? So by reading the options, you can easily understand the all of the above is the correct answer. Now the sixth question is, the need for value education is, so here also all of the above. Correct identification of our aspiration, understanding universal human values and evaluation of beliefs. Now the seventh question from module 1, which is, what are guidelines of value education? So this is also all of the above. Now the eighth one, which is, value education enables us to understand our needs, visualize our goals correctly, indicate the direction for their fulfillment. So all of the above is the correct answer. Now technology is only a means to achieve what is considered. So it is valuable for humans. Technology is valuable for the human beings. Now the 10th question is, the first level of living is individual. So there are 4 levels, as we know: individual, family, society and nature. So first one is individual. Now the second level of living is family. Now the fourth level is nature, and also the third level is society. You also remember that. Now what helps human being transform from animal consciousness to human consciousness? The right understanding defined our consciousness. So D is the correct answer. Now the 14th question is, Samriddhi means prosperity. So C option is the correct. Now the next question is, giving importance only to physical facilities, sensory pleasures and accumulation of wealth is called animal consciousness. So you have to remember this. Now the 16th question is, continuous happiness and prosperity are basic human aspirations. Now the next question is, values and skills go hand in hand is always true. Now the 18th one, beliefs come from what we read, what we see and what parents and friends talk about. So all of the above. Now the next question is, harmony should be maintained at individual level, family level, society level. So all of the above. Now the last question from module 1, which is, the value of any unit in existence is its dash in the larger order. So participation is the correct answer for this one. Now we are moving towards module 2. So from module 2, our first question is, what is the need of self I, which is nothing but respect. Now the next question is, what is the need of body? Water. Water is the need of body. Now the next question is, human being is the coexistence of self I and body. So A is the correct answer. Now the next question is, self and dash are different in needs, activities and type. So A is the correct answer, which is nothing but body. Now the fifth question is, the need of the self is happiness. Now the next question is, the need of the self are dash and the needs of the body are intermittent. So continuous is the correct answer. So A is the correct one. Now the next question is, right feelings within self is definite, continuous and unconditional, means all of the above. Now the next question is, prosperity is a need of both self and body. Now here self I is door, seer and enjoyer. So all of the above is the correct answer. Now the next question is, seer means the one that understands. So is the correct one. Now door means the one that does something. So C is the correct answer. Now the next question is, enjoyer means the one that experiences happiness or unhappiness. So B is the correct one. Now the next question is harmony should be maintained between self and body. So A is the correct one. Now the 14th question is the programs for ensuring health of the body are nurturing, protection and right utilization of the body. So A is the correct one. Now all the needs related to the self are fulfilled by right understanding and right feeling. So A is the correct answer. Now all the needs related to the body are fulfilled by physical facilities. So A is the correct one. Now the 17th question from module 2, which is activities of the self are desire, thought and expectation. So these are the activities for the self. Now the next question is activities like eating, walking and breathing belong to body. We can easily understand this. So A is the correct one. Now the response of the body is based on recognizing and fulfilling. So A is the correct one. Now the last question from module 2, which is all the problems of a human being are due to assumptions without knowing. So C is the correct one. Now we are moving towards next module, which is module 3. So our first question is society is an extension of family. So C is the correct one. Respect and trust are the needs of the self. So A is the correct answer. So next question is knowing means we have right understanding. So A is the correct answer. Now trust, respect and happiness are the needs of self, as we already seen above. Now the next question is the feeling of responsibility for nurturing, protection and right utilization of the body is called Sanyam. So A is the correct one. Now the next question is the feelings in the self are definite. So A is the correct answer. The feelings of responsibility to ensure the health of another person's body is called care. So this is we called as care. So B is the correct answer. Now the next question is right evaluation of each other's intention and competence is called trust. So this we called as trust. So D is the correct answer. If I say I am good for nothing, it is an example of under evaluation. So we are taking ourselves under evaluation. So A is the correct answer. Now over evaluation leads to ego. So A is the correct answer. Now under evaluation leads to depression. So C is the correct answer. Now here our right evaluation leads to self-confidence. So this is the correct one. So A is the correct answer. Relationship exists between one self I1 and another self I2. So A is the correct answer. How many universal feelings means values are there in relationships? So there are total 9. So C is the correct answer. So which is the foundation value of a relationship? So trust is the foundation value of relationship. So A is the correct answer. Now which is the complete value in a relationship? Love is the complete value in a relationship. So D is the correct answer. Now the next question is which of the following is not one of the 9 universal values in a relationship? So here D is the correct answer, which is competition. We can easily understand this. So D is the correct answer. Now the basic unit of human organization is family. So A is the correct answer. Now mutual happiness in relationships is achieved by fulfillment of right feelings and their right evaluation. So C is the correct one for this one. Now the last question from module 3, which is the comprehensive human goals are resolution, prosperity, fearlessness and coexistence. So C is the correct answer for this one. Now we are moving towards next module, which is module 4. So our first question is which one explains society? People living together in a relationship of mutual fulfillment. So A is the correct answer. Now how can the transition in society be made possible? So by recognize where change is required, collective effort is essential, proper coordination among people. So by reading we can easily understand all of the above is the correct answer. Now society means human beings living together and making collective effort for happiness and prosperity. So A is the correct answer. Now the next question is the word society is primarily used in the context of human dash relationship. So this is nothing but human being relationship. So C is the correct answer. Fifth question from module 4, which is human to human interaction is called behavior and human to rest of the nature interaction is called production. Now the next question is climate change, environmental pollution and resource depletion are related to relationship with the rest of nature. So D is the correct answer. Now, aimlessness, confusion, tension, frustration, and depression are related to individual. So, A is the correct answer. Now, opposition, anger, court cases, and divorce are related to family. So, B is the correct answer. Increasing gap between rich and poor, terrorism, and war are related to society. So, C is the correct answer. Now, nature is the collection of all the units, living being, human being, and plants. So, all are coming under nature. Now, the next question is nature is classified into four orders. Now, the next question is which of the following is not one of the four order of nature? Here, the industrial order is not coming under four orders of nature. So, D is the correct answer. Now, the next question is human beings belong to human order. We can easily know. So, D is the correct answer. The interaction between physical order and bio order is an example of mutual fulfillment. So, C is the correct one. Now, the next question is which characteristic exist among the four order of nature? So, C is the correct answer, which is interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment. Now, the next question is existence is understood as coexistence of mutual interacting units in all pervasive space. So, C is the correct answer for this. Now, the next question is self-regulation in nature means nature maintains balance on its own. So, B is the correct answer for this. Now, the next question is what is naturally acceptable for human being towards nature, which is nothing but enrichment of all four orders. So, C is the correct one. Now, the last question from module 4, which is holistic perception of harmony is achieved at all levels of existence, which is nothing but individual level, family level, and society level. Now, the last module, which is module 5. So, our first question is moral values are the combination of right speech and right action. So, A is the correct answer. Now, wisdom knowledge means right vision and right resolve. So, B is the correct answer. Now, the next question is meditation includes right awareness and right concentration. So, D is the correct answer. Now, the belief centric wisdom is knowledge based on listening. So, A is the correct answer. Now, the next question from module 5, which is logic centric wisdom is reasoning based knowledge. So, we already know this. So, C is the correct answer. Now, the next question is realization centric wisdom is knowledge based on self realization of existential realities. So, B is the correct answer. Now, the next question is non-violence means not hurting anyone by body, mind, and speech. So, these all are coming under non-violence means D is the correct answer, which is all of the above. Now, the next question is truthfulness means to express reality or events as they are, uncolored. So, C is the correct answer. Now, non-stealing means using only those things that one has produced or obtained rightfully. So, A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is purity is at the level of body, cleanness, and mind, which is nothing but freedom from mental disorders. So, both A and B are correct. Now, the next question is contentment means being able to correctly recognize one's need for physical facilities and living in harmony with that much. So, A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is self-discipline means being able to practice and live in harmony on one's own. So, A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is being able to correctly recognize one's need for physical facilities and living accordingly is called contentment. So, C is the correct one. Now, the next question is human values are realized through understanding Jivan, existence, and natural acceptance. So, C is the correct one. Now, the next question is ethical human conduct is based on values, policies, and character. Now, the next question is values help us to live in harmony with family. So, A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is character is determined by the values one incorporates in life. So, A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is professional ethics means using professional competence for universal human order. So, C is the correct answer. Now, the next question is appropriate technologies should be pupil friendly and eco friendly. So, C is the correct answer. Now, the next question is the basic of humanistic universal order is ethical human conduct based on universal human values. So, these are the most important MCQ question which can be asked in the VTU examination. So, you don't have to miss these questions. These are the very important MCQ questions from all the modules. from module 1 to module 5. If you read this, you can easily score good marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.